Investing can be a very profitable endeavor, but it is also a risky one. In order to have the best chance of success, you will need to employ some strategies that will help you make the right decisions. This video will provide you with a few different strategies that you can use to improve your investment strategy and make smarter decisions. This video is about investment strategies for successful stock picking. When it comes to investing, you might have found that a lot of the time it feels like you're just spinning your wheels and making no progress. Sometimes, this happens because you get so caught up in the daily price change that it's hard for you to see any progress. This can be really frustrating as there are times when your portfolio is doing great, but you can't even tell because of the day-to-day volatility. Before we get into this video, quickly give this video a like if you want to see more videos like this. Please consider giving me a subscribe as that helps me as a small YouTuber. Also, I want to know what stocks you guys have invested in so far this year and why, so make sure to leave a comment and let me know. But the first thing you have to do is find out if a stock is a good stock and how to know if it's a good stock. Well, a stock is good if it has a high value and is expected to increase in value in the near future. How do I know if a stock is good? It's not easy to tell which stocks are good. You can look at the company's financial statements or read its annual report to see how well it's doing, but these aren't perfect indicators of whether it's a good investment. You also need to consider the company's industry, how long you'll own the stock, and your risk tolerance when deciding what stocks are good for you. Now the decision to invest in a company or not is not an easy one. It is important to know which factors to consider when doing so. The first thing you need to do is identify the company's sector. If you are unfamiliar with the company's sector, then it is best that you do some research on it. Next, you should look at the company's financial statements and find out how they are doing financially. You should also look at their latest earnings report and see if they have been making any changes in their business strategy recently. Lastly, you should evaluate the management team of the company and see if they have a good track record of success in their field of expertise. How to pick a company to invest in. There are many ways to pick a company to invest in. You can take a look at their financials, their products, the industry they are in, or their CEO. You might also want to take a look at how well they manage their employees and how much they care about them. The first step would be to find out if the company is profitable and growing. If it's not profitable, it may not be a good investment. If it is profitable but not growing, you might want to ask yourself why that is happening and what the company is doing about it. If you're looking for companies that are both profitable and growing, then you should check out this list of public companies with a high return on equity. This is the end of this video. I hope you have found it helpful and informative.